Swahili to English vocabulary. Msamiati wa Kiswahili Kiingereza. Number 1. Achilia. Acquit or discharge. Number 2. Achisha. Stop somebody from doing something. Number 3. Achwa. Be divorced. Number 4. Ada. Fee or school fee. Number 5. Adabu. Good manners or proper behavior. Number 6. Adapter. Adapter. Other. Trouble or discomfort. Number 8. Adhabu. Punishment or penalty. Number 9. Adhama. Glory. Number 10. Adhana. Muslims call to prayer made by the muezzin. Number 11. Adhibu. Punish. Number 12. Adhimisha. Celebrate or glorify. Number 13. Adhimu. Glorious. Number 14. Adhini. Call Muslims to public prayers. Number 15. Adhinia. Make a special prayer. Number 16. Adhiri. Put somebody to shame. Number 17. Adhirika. Be ashamed. Number 18. Adhuhuri. Noon or the period between noon and 2 p.m. Number 19. Adili. Righteous. Number 20. Adilifu. Upright. Number 21. Adilifu. Moralize. Number 22. Adimika. Be scarce or be rare. Number 23. Adimisha. Cause something to be scarce or unobtainable. Number 24. Adimo. Scarce or rare. Number 25. Ado. Enemy or foe. Dear visitor, don't miss the coming class, but also don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much.